Phew!
Here at Mitch's Corned Beef and Farm, I corn beef the traditional way by beating the hell out of cows with ears of corn, and you can watch for just $39.97.
God, Brandon, can you not feel your butt flapping together like that?
What are you talking about? That wasn't even me.
What are you talking about? I felt that on my leg.
No, you're kidding me. Judging from the pitch of that, that was clearly a barking spider.
Come on, man, you're telling everybody it was some barking spider. Everybody here knows it was your ass.
That's just an excuse for your caboose.
What? You guys have never heard of a barking spider before? See, there it goes again. There's obviously one here.
Bro, you're just making stuff up because you're farting.
Okay, guys, look. It's a 4-foot tall Spanish spider. It's like one of the most vile things ever. It has like blood red eyes. And it wears socks with Crocs, and it plays a ukulele just like that. And it makes this noise. It sounds like humans farting. You've never heard of that before?
Shut up!
Okay, guys, but whenever you find it, don't come whining to me about how I was right. El stupido.
But my phone! Damn, Will, you having a stroke?
No, bro. I'm doing yoga. Twist me. Don't miss me. I'm trying to find myself.
Oh my god! It sounds like you're trying to burn a hole in my floor.
Nah, dude, I swear it wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Hey, what you reading, bro?
What do you think, bro? Hustler.
Good one.
Oh my god, man, come on. It's not cool.
Dear Cassandra, I met you at Parker's when the lady asked for your ID. I wrote down your address, and I just wanted to tell you. Wait, what am I doing? The hell was that? Yo, Austin, you got any threes?
Nah, go fish.
Hey, Austin, you got any,
Man, maybe you should fish for some new drawers.
What, you think that was me?
Whatever, Austin. You're gross.
Yeah, I totally farted my own cards out of my hand backwards.
Yeah, man, haven't you seen NASCAR? They have backdraft and stuff.
What was that?
Oops, hello. Now that I've exposed myself, I must leave Sukasa forever. Hasta la vista card, baby.
Dude, what the hell was that?